find a ripe one. Oh my God. As we come, guys, we find a... Guys, how you doing? We're on the delivery trail and the customers them love us so much that them allow to come at the mango tree come find mango. And as me go up in the tree, so I find a nice turn one. Guys, what's up? God bless the mango. Hello, man. How you doing? We find a turn mango. Guys, we're here on the delivery trail. And we're giving away freeness, right? Shut up. You don't want the freeness? Eh?
Yeah.
Alright. Can you say hi to the folks, Sammy?
Hey.
Guys, we're here giving away freeness and getting free mango. Alright, Miss Crawford. You know the rule, though. I ask you a question, you get the question right, you move on to round 2. Round 2, you select from one of these envelopes. Don't you look on them. You're going to select one of them. One of them have been a real prize, one not been nothing.
Okay.
And not because you give me the mango means you're not going to get a win. Because it's a hard question. Alright guys, here is the question for you. There is a feature on our website. There's a little word name promotion. When you click on that word, it shows you all of the many promotions that we have. Whole heap of different promotions. I can't remember them. That's why we created a little link on the website for you to go see all of them, right?
Okay.
Where do you go on our website to see that word promotion?
At the end of the page.
At the where?
The end of the page.
Guys, she said at the end of the page. I want you to log into our website right now. You should see the link down here. Look at the end of the page and see the promotion. We're waiting on you. Hurry up. Alright, you come back. Alright, Sasha, right. You got that right. Alright. Now you need to select. Which one has in the free shipping coupon and which one don't have anything? And she tried to look through it.
Yeah.
So now you keep them together.
It's like on the front one.
The front one? Guys, she said this one.
No.
She said this one.
That one looks like it's a something.
Yeah, so like something I guess. Alright guys, let's go look. If nothing in it, what's supposed to be in there? Read it for me. Now let's hear this story. Why I am so ready.
Congratulations, you won a free coupon.
She won herself a free shipping coupon. She gave me a free mango. I'll be a free this around. Do you have a happy dance or your free shipping coupon?
No.
You know, no style, happy style, nothing.
Just my smile.
Just her smile. Give them the smile for me. Give them the free shipping coupon smile. Guys, you see that beautiful smile? Guys, remember, go all the way down at the end of the website, click on promotions to see all of our promotions. Catch you later, we're under the mango tree, and I'm going to work my mango right now.